I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. I recently went through the process of replacing my much valued and beloved manual transmission 2013 Honda Accord. It was a sad day for me. I must admit that car served me and my family quite well. It's a hell of a reliable vehicle. I had a great time driving it, but it was time. Replacing it though, I was reminded, as it's been 12 years since I've had a new car, it's a long go for a real estate agent, of something significant that I wanted to make sure I shared with you. Waiver of depreciation, replacement value, full reimbursement replacement value. These are some of the vernacular that's used by different insurance companies to tell you that within a certain period of time, when you have a new vehicle, that the depreciated value is waived. Now, that's significant. I'll tell you why. The allegory I'll give you: in 2000, I had a car accident, 6-month-old car. Someone came off the highway and absolutely crushed me. The car was a write-off. I had originally bought the car, or leased it, excuse me, at a purchase of $19,000. That's how long ago that is and how old I am. And the insurance company, on account of my mother, who told me to get a replacement value because of a car accident she had where she got burned, they gave me $27,000 for the same car 6 months later, because they give you the non-depreciated value at the time of the incident. At least that's the case then. Check with your own insurance providers what the details are. The policy I have on my insurance, they're not going to volunteer this. You got to ask them. So it's full replacement value to the lessee. And what that means is, in the first 60 months, if my car gets written off or stolen, God forbid, but hey, this is the world we're living in, the depreciated value is waived. Now, if you're leasing the car, that's significant, because if the insurance company gives you a depreciated value, even though it's not your fault in a car accident or the car getting stolen, you would owe them the difference. So if you are in the market for a new car, first of all, always make sure that you get a quote before you commit to a purchase or a lease or a finance. You might be shocked at what some models pay in insurance or charge for insurance. But secondly, ask for that waiver of depreciation, replacement value, that type of vernacular from your insurance company. To me, it's the best theft deterrent device, because if someone wants your car, they're going to steal it. At the very least, at least you could get and recoup enough equity to put you in another car without any hassle. So it's a bit outside of our industry, but I drive for a living, as a lot of you do, I'm sure. And if you are looking at changing a car, this could be quite helpful. I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Have a fantastic day.